Welcome people, welcome back. It's your boy Command Brown, and today we're doing things a bit different. Now what are these? I know all of you avid PS5 gamers know what these are, right? The PS5 Pulse Elite. Now these are awesome headsets. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a full-on review of these soon. However, the purpose of this video is just to show you one of the most common, show you how to solve one of the most common issues with these things: connectivity. Now, many of you people who own these things, I have utmost confidence you have experienced this where the thing randomly disconnects. I've been experiencing that from day one, right? And it pisses me off. In the middle of a Call of Duty match, it disconnects, then you have to scramble about, take them off, go plug out the dongle, reset the thing and plug it back in. By then I'm dead. Dead many times over. Respawn and die a couple times and mess up your kill to death ratio and whatever. It's horrible, right? I don't know why Sony cannot get that right with a firmware update, but it is what it is. However, I found a simple fix. Simple, it may cost you something if you don't have this device I'm about to tell you about, but it gets the job done for sure. It ain't pretty, but it works. Now, let's take this off. You may not be used to me wearing this, and let's get the cap back on as you know me with. Yeah, that's better. Now, let's switch around the camera here for a minute. And here it is, my PS5 Pro, right? And yeah, the cable management, ignore that. This is a temporary setup. I've said that in other videos before. However, here is the solution. Here's a dongle. I'm getting straight to the point here, people. Here's a dongle, and this is a USB extender, right? USB extender, simple, cheap. I didn't have to spend a dime on this. I had one of these laying around. I've seen and heard about it in other videos, but I had to give it a shot, guys. I was desperate. Here it is, right? Here it is. Now, here is how this actually works. Apparently, this thing is very sensitive to heat. The dongle, that is, for the PS Pulse Elite, very sensitive to heat. This baby here, especially the Pro, kicks out a lot of heat from the vents back here. And this is actually the dongle for my PS Pulse 3Ds, which I actually have to keep plugged in as backup just in case that stupid thing disconnected and I had to scramble about. It was much faster and easier to just throw these on and continue. However, to solve the issue, the dongle connects and runs and brings it to the front where there's obviously no heat, and it also brings it in direct line of sight to the Pulse Elite. So quick, easy, simple fix. If you don't have one of these, I'll leave a bunch of them in the description below. You have various types, some that simply push it out further from the back, and these are the ones that I recommend, the ones that are long enough to bring it to the front of the console. It ain't pretty, but it works. I've had zero disconnects ever since. Sony, do better, guys. You guys are world renowned for your audiovisual prowess. This is a big oversight, and these things aren't cheap. Fix that. I don't know if any firmware can fix that, but fix that. If you got to include one of these things in the box, do it. It's very annoying. However, these headsets are incredibly awesome, and I do not want to part with them. So I'll leave a link to one of these dongles in the description below, and of course in my pinned comment, so you can check it out for yourself. Very cheap, or affordable if you don't like the word cheap, and it works 1000%. I enjoy these Pulse Elites now, and I cannot do without them. Thanks to this thing. Praise the Lord. If you're religious, thank you. So guys, yeah, that's the fix for this thing. Get it undone. Don't try anything else. This works. 1000% confirmed. So once again, thanks for tuning in. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course, hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you guys in the next one. Peace out and take care.